Welcome back, campers. Today, we'll be doing an in-depth review of the Zenph 2 to 3 person pop-up camping tent. So stick around while we throw it, fold it, and crawl around in it and show you everything this tent has to offer. You want to learn how to win this tent for free? Stick around till the end of the video to find out. I'm going to show you just how to win one.
Hey everybody, are you having a hard time setting up a tent or need a buddy to help you? Check this one out. This is the Zenph 2 to 3 man tent and should be able to pop up in 2 to 3 seconds. This is also an unboxing, Steve. I have not set this tent up yet, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. I'm gonna hold on to it because I saw the blowout you had.
Right, this brand new tent, first time out of the box. Huh?
Yeah, so this one also has a strap.
Right. What else is in the bag?
We got some tent stakes and guy lines.
Hold on, pull one of them stakes out. Are they just like regular old stakes like we always get?
Little bitty guys we
or
get
are they gonna
here?
give us something special?
That is a nice bag though.
Yeah, a nice bag. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Ah, just regular tent stakes. Okay.
Heavy.
They heavy?
Heavy tent stakes.
Maybe those will drive into the hard ground better.
So let me just empty this out. 8 stakes and some guy lines. It does feel like it's also wanting to escape like the Huling Yang.
This is springy.
All right.
Oh, shit. Well, there you go. Jesus. Okay.
By the way, you can see the Huling Yang 6-person pop-up tent. We'll put a link right here. Let's check it out. I'm gonna throw it and see what happens.
I just throw it right here. What? What? Look at that.
I'm done.
Yes. All right. Good night.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, that was cool.
That's cool.
That was very cool.
Very cool.
So tent is now set up. Obviously, there's a few key things that we do want to do. We've got the stakes. We're gonna see how many of these we can get in. Let's go ahead and stake this thing down. Looks like weird. Okay, we're gonna have to see what it looks like in there. I would assume we're staking here and here. Probably wouldn't hurt to read the instructions.
We don't need no stinking instructions.
This is gonna be a challenge to get these in. All right, we are going to have to.
This ground is too hard for this type of stake, right?
Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to put the drillable ones in. So just like before, we are on the super hard ground out here in Oklahoma. And because of that, we often have to use these heavy duty tent stakes. And we'll leave a link in the description above for these ones. You know, this doesn't feel like this would be where that goes.
That is kind of a strange way that's configured.
Just because it's got a twist in it.
Try to just drill the stake into the ground and then you
tie
can,
it onto it.
You can just put it into the hook. There you go.
Super odd.
That is a very strange stake thing. Yeah, the loop is in a very weird position.
Yeah, so I'm gonna hold it down like that for now.
Yeah, I mean, I think that'll probably be effective.
Yeah.
So instead of using the orange loops where you would generally put your stakes through, I had to use the metal bar that's part of the structure of the tent to hold the stakes in place. There just wasn't enough room in the loops to put our bigger
Look at
stakes.
that.
Nice.
Possibly you can use the smaller stakes that comes with it though, but our ground is way too hard for those. And we just end up wrecking our stakes anyways.
That's some hard ground.
Sometimes you need drillable stakes.
That's right. Jeez. Isn't this cute?
So 2 to 3 person tent, they say.
It looks small.
It does. So looks enclosed. Looks like it's
rain
got...
fly separate.
Whoa! Somebody have that removed. All right, zip down back window.
That's nice.
Generally don't like my zippers being on the outside. Gonna keep the pervs out. They do seem like strong zippers that are very easy to slide though.
Spacious interior. It's so little.
It's like
I kind
half
of
of
like
yours.
it. Yeah, those little holdbacks for the doors are pretty standard on the tents these days.
All right, so pulling these back.
Don't do what I did and connect the outside to the inner tent. Make sure the outside is connected to the outer tent.
Put that right there. From the outside right on to the
That's
inside.
right. And look, it's got that big space there between the tent
And the inner
and
tent.
the rain fly. Yeah.
Yep.
So that you don't get leaks when it rains. So this will probably do really well in the rain. Just
All right.
by looking at it.
You want to come on in?
What's inside, man?
All right.
It feels very thick and very well made.
I can see this is definitely a 2-man with a bit of extra room.
I mean, yeah, it looks like it's got some pretty good space in there.
Yeah.
What kind of amenities does it have?
All right. So it's got a couple storage compartments, one hook. So this hook will be for your lantern. Or I guess if you want to dry some clothes off. We also have another one on the other side. And that's
about it.
I think, Steve,
This is pretty down and dirty.
this is pretty down and dirty.
Well, you know, if you're just one person, you don't need as much storage, right?
Hey, they are sealed. Hold on. So, okay. All the seams are sealed. Looks like this one's going to be pretty watertight.
Yeah, it looks pretty well made.
It's all sealed. Yeah, this is all one big, there's no seam on the bottom. And it looks like these come up about a foot. So you're gonna be fine. I think in the cold, now if you go around the outside, not sure why they would have done that. So not horrible, but I think if they would have brought that all the way to the ground, it could have kept some of the heat in there.
Right.
I'm thinking when we're out here 20 degrees, a little draft's gonna pop up through there.
It looks that way, yeah.
It's gonna be a bit chilly.
So this may be more of a 3-season tent.
Might be a 3-season tent. The other thing I might do, you know, I might just fill in that gap there myself.
All right.
And then because it doesn't really make any sense that maybe for wind airflow during the summer or spring, but man, I would have put a little door there if that was the case.
Well, the bigger versions have the doors on the side. This one is more on the front and the back for your airflow, right?
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah.
I think this tent was, I'm gonna need to look up the cost of it, but I think it was only like $60.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. So let's see if it's as easy to put away as it was to take out.
Do you know how to put it up? Or we're gonna have to do a whole separate video like I did.
We may.
As easy as it came out, I'm betting, we'll see, but I'm betting that this is just gonna be the same as the big one, but with one less fold. You know what I mean?
We will see. How long does it take you to put the other one up?
30 seconds, less than a minute. Maybe about 30 seconds to fold it up and another 30 seconds to get it in the bag and zipped up and all.
Okay. So let's see. I mean, obviously, this is my first time with this one.
Right.
Yeah, to be honest, I'm not sure why they put that twist there.
That is odd to me.
Without that twist, it would have been fine.
If anybody knows what is the deal with this type of connection on a tent, because I've never seen that before. It just doesn't seem like it's really made for a tent stake. It just wraps around and goes back underneath.
All right,
So,
I'm zipping everything up.
any ideas on that? Let us know in the description down, or let us know in the comments if you know what that is or how that's supposed to work.
All right, you ready, Steve?
I'm ready to do it.
All right. So I believe you do like this. Then you flip it on its side and get back over here. Put it down something like this. I think you're supposed to, oh crap. Step on this. Give a push. Oh. Do a push here. And I think,
Whoa, look at that.
look at that.
That was not bad at all.
That was pretty easy.
You don't need a separate video for that. You want to do it one more time?
I need to do it one more time.
Flip that bad boy out and do it one more time. Look at that. Oh, dude.
It's upside down. Just to do it one more time.
So talk me through it.
I'm just grabbing all these bars and pulling them together. So I could have just Pac-Man'd it.
Right.
I'm gonna stand it up. Grabbing it somewhere around mid. Grabbing these two that are up here. And I'm just gonna bend it in on itself.
Just fold it under. And then
Once it starts doing that, lay one of them down,
Yep.
lay the other one on top of it.
Nice.
I don't know if it gets any easier than that.
Dude,
Steve.
that's pretty easy.
Now, you want to see if I can put it back in the bag?
Let's see it. You want to put your little safety strap on? Put your hand through the hole.
Like this?
Now grab it all and pull it together. Put your hand through, yep.
Like this?
Now grab the tent and put it together. There you go. Now let go with the other hand and wrap it around.
I only feel three of
Yeah,
those.
there you go.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Easy peasy. All right, so last step, put it in here. That was pretty much a breeze.
Dude, that's just like simple as it gets.
I think, Steve, I like it. I think this is one of the ones I'm giving away.
I think this is great, dude. If you're just one person, don't forget about your stakes
Yep,
and your guy wires. We're gonna give this one away?
I think so. So here's what I want.
What do you want? Tell me what you want, what you really, really want.
One of our videos shows a caveman, and it's this caveman that I'm gonna put right here. It's this caveman walking in some other video, not just this video. Tell us what video that's on, and you'll be one of the ones added to win this.
The drawing.
Yeah,
So if you comment on this video and tell us what other video has the caveman
as
in
the
it,
caveman
then
walking,
you go into the drawing for the tent.
and the way I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna put the names up on a board. I'm gonna throw a dart at it.
You gotta let me throw it because I suck at darts.
Whatever. But yeah, I'm starting to get quite a collection of tents and other things, and
Yeah.
I need to kind of get stuff
And
out.
that's a brand new tent. It's never been used. Nice and clean.
Well, I did get some dirty footprints in it
Well,
just now, but
well, that's okay.
brand new tent, yes.
Yeah.
So if anybody wants it, again, caveman walking across the bottom, tell us what it is. Just say I want it.
Yeah. Caveman is in this video. I want it.
Caveman is in this video. I want it.
In order to be in the drawing, you also have to be a subscriber.
This is true. And I guess you probably want to watch out for future videos too, because we're going to be giving away some other stuff as we accumulate it, right?
You got it.
But
Well,
you're
we're
gonna-
giving away those jet boils.
Yep, the jet boils,
That's in there.
the t-shirts.
And that's a wrap. Is that a compression strap? No, it's not. It's just in case you want to hang it around your neck, I guess.
That could be dangerous. Don't do that.
Hey everybody, so thanks for sticking around for the review of the Zenph 2 to 3 person tent. You can pick these up on Amazon, about 50, 60 bucks. We'll leave a link in the description below. And again, make sure to like, follow, subscribe, ring that little bell so you don't miss any future content. We'll see you later. Let's check it out. I'm gonna throw it and see what happens.
I just throw it right here. What? Look at that.
I'm done.
Yes. All right. Good night.